Swing bracket installation. List of what's included in the kit. Require lumber for a 48-inch wide bench. Cut the lumber as shown. First, let's assemble the A side. Using 2 pieces B and 20 BB screws, put together 2x4 number 1 and number 2. We recommend to use construction glue between each 2x4. 10 screws per pieces B, whether 6 on the 3.5-inch side and 4 on the 1.5-inch side. Using 2 pieces A and 20 BB screws, put together 2x4 number 2 and number 3. Ten screws per pieces A, whether 6 on 3.5-inch side and 4 on the 1.5-inch side. Using the drilling guide, drill 4 1/4-inch diameter holes in pieces A and 4 1/4-inch diameter holes in pieces B as straight as possible. Use 8 cc bolt to install pieces A and B. Using the drilling guide, drill 1 1/4-inch diameter holes in pieces D as straight as possible. Use 1 cc bolt and 2 BB screws to install pieces D. Repeat previous step for B side. The bolt head must be faced outside. Using 11 BB screws, put together pieces C1 and C2 to the 2x4 number 2 and 3. Fix the pieces C1 on armrest in the center of the 2x4 as shown. Trace a line at 7-inch as shown. Pieces C1 must be on that line. Fix the board using 3 AA screws per board per side. We recommend to install only 2 boards for the moment. Outside distance between the 2 E pieces must be 48-inch. Fix the 4 E squares using 2 DD screws per square. Lift the swing and fix it to the E square using the double E pins. Finally, fix the remaining board using 3 AA screws per side per board.